Welcome to the Today in History channel. In today's video we will talk about the day, December 5, 1933. End of dry law in the United States. Since the beginning of the 19th century, there was an association in the United States called the temperance movement, understood, first, as moderation in eating and drinking, then as a prohibition on drinking alcohol, and, finally, as a condemnation of everything that was related to alcohol, especially the industry that produced and sold it. Throughout the 19th century, several leaders of Anglo-Saxon Protestant churches had publicly insisted on regulating the free consumption of alcohol, which they blamed for many social ills. The increase in immigration to the United States since 1850 has brought large masses of Irish, German and Eastern European immigrants, who brought their own habits more tolerant of alcohol consumption, while more conservative Protestant preachers insisted that newcomers adopt an attitude contrary. The Civil War had prevented the development of campaigns to curb the free consumption of alcohol, and the expansion to the West caused much of the territory newly annexed to the United States to evolve free from the more conservative influences of New England. However, in 1890, the western frontier had already disappeared, and the temperance movement's propaganda acquired national relevance. Several progressive and liberal intellectuals joined this trend, as well as left-wing Union leaders, who blamed alcohol consumption for causing further backwardness and poverty among the masses of workers who were beginning to fill the cities of the United States. It was said that alcohol consumption caused poverty in the masses, illnesses and dementia, in addition to stimulating delinquency, and the enactment of total alcohol prohibition norms was achieved in small towns. Temperance activists took advantage of the First World War for the country's moral progression, stressing that much of the beer consumed by Americans was produced by German immigrant industries and reducing consumption of this drink would be a patriotic activity. Dry law was the norm by which, from 1920 to 1933, the manufacture, sale and consumption of alcohol, wine, beer, whiskey, etc. was prohibited. In the United States, the law was adopted by the 18th Amendment to the Constitution, whereby the Republican government tried to give a twist to the country's morality. The U.S. Congress authorized the Finance Department to establish its own ban control unit. In the first 6 months, the unit destroyed thousands of illegal deposits controlled by clandestine dealers. However, federal agents and the police did not control the parties and meetings where alcoholic beverages were served, and organized crime flourished in the United States. The dry law did not fulfill its intended objectives. On the contrary, the ban encouraged the consumption, especially of high-grade alcohol, and became an authentic public health problem, indirectly encouraging illegal distillation. Furthermore, it promoted smuggling and the black market, controlled by gangs of gangsters who made the United States an unsafe place due to bribes to justice, authorities and the police. Dry law was overturned in 1931 by the 21st Amendment to the Constitution, on the initiative of the new Democratic administration, which ended the prohibition of alcohol in the United States. On December 5, 1933, the dry law officially ended. If you like the video of a force subscribing to the channel, like, comment and share. To receive new videos, see you next time.